The Man of Destiny by George Bernard Shaw. It was written in 1897 and in the same year it was published, and it was first performed on 1st July 1897 in Grand Theatre, Croydon, England. And genre chamber piece, short intellectual play, and it is from the Pleasant play. Its historical setting Italy, 12 May 1796, and place of action and in at Treviano. Historical background after Napoleon's victory at the Battle of Lodi. Main characters Napoleon Bonaparte, a young French general at the start of his brilliant career, clever, ambitious, calculating, and concerned about his public image. The lady, the strange woman, English woman, intelligent, witty, bold, disguises herself as her brother, represents English cleverness and moral independence. Lieutenant, a French officer, loses important military dispatches, fears punishment and court martial. Giuseppe Grandi, the innkeeper, minor character, provides background realism. Plot outline. The play is set in an inn at Treviano on 12 May 1796, just after Napoleon's victory at the Battle of Lodi. Napoleon is resting, eating, and planning future military strategies. When a lieutenant arrives with bad news, he reports that the important dispatches have been stolen by a young man who tricked him. Napoleon threatens the lieutenant with arrest for negligence. Soon, a mysterious woman appears and claims that the thief was actually her brother. Napoleon does not believe her and orders the lieutenant out. A battle of wits follows between Napoleon and the woman. Eventually, the woman hands over the stolen dispatches but warns Napoleon not to read one particular letter. The letter contains a dangerous secret. It claims that Josephine, Napoleon's wife, is having an affair with Paul Barras. Napoleon fears that if it is known he read the letter, it could cause a duel and public scandal. To protect his reputation, he pretends the dispatches are still missing and sends the lieutenant away to search for them. To save the lieutenant from disgrace, the woman changes into her male disguise and returns as the brother. The lieutenant recognizes him as a thief, pretending to have magical powers. The woman finds the dispatches in Napoleon's coat. Napoleon admits that he has been outwitted by an English woman. He makes ironic comments on English hypocrisy, how England claims to support freedom while conquering nations. Finally, Napoleon returns a letter unread to the woman, and she warns it, ending the threat of scandal. Major themes are power and intelligence, reputation versus truth, political hypocrisy, role of women and disguise, and wit over brute force. Why the title The Man of Destiny? The title refers ironically to Napoleon, who believes himself destined for greatness. Shaw shows that even a man of destiny can be checked and humbled by intelligence and